In this video, I'll show you how to change the language of your MetaQuest 3. So it's very easy. You need to make this menu appear by pressing the Meta logo on the right side controller and then go into Settings. Open Settings, this is what you see, and you need to go in System, which is the first option. Let me do it. Okay, great. And then you need to go under Language and Region. Tap on this. And over here you'll have language. Click on this list and select the one you prefer. Let's say I want this one. You'll need to restart your Quest 3. Just press this blue button over here and then don't touch anything. It will turn off and turn on back again, and then you'll be able to use your Quest with your selected language. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.